Welcome to Technolearn Academy. In this lecture, we will see how we can use the index function. Index function is used to return the value of a cell in a specified row or column of a given range. This is the formula of the index function. Index function has three arguments. The array. This is the range of cells from which you want to retrieve the data. Row number. Row number within the range that correspond to the value you want to retrieve. Column number. This is an optional argument that represents the column number within the given range. Let's understand the index function with a practical example. In this example, I want to find the week 3 score of S5 function within the given range. We can see that we have 15 rows and 4 columns. And if I want to find the week 3 score of S5, that means it is part of my 5th row and 3rd column. So my output will be 970 only. So this is how, using the row number and the column number, we can find the position of a specific value within the given range. We just need to provide the exact row and the exact column. So my output is 970 because S5 is my 5th row and week 3 is my 3rd column. So when the two values combine, the output is 970 only. In this example, we will see how we can utilize the index function. I want to find the week 3 score of S5 function within the given range. So first I'll type equal and then type index. As already discussed, index function required 3 arguments. So first I will select my range. Then I need to provide the row number. So my S5 function is the 5th row. Now I need to provide the column number. My week 3 is the 3rd column. And then I will close the bracket and hit enter. We can see that the week 3 score of S5 function is 970 only. This is how we can use the index function to find the value within the given range using the row number and the column number. Thanks for watching this video.